Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the cabin air filter in your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver and a new filter. Make sure your Giulia is parked safely with the engine off. The cabin air filter is conveniently located behind the glove box, making it an accessible maintenance task for any owner. This simple replacement improves air quality inside your car. Now, let's access the filter. Open your glove box all the way. You'll see several T20 Torx screws along the bottom and sides of the panel. Carefully remove these screws using your T20 driver. Once all screws are out, gently pull the panel downwards and towards you. It should unclip, giving you a clear view of the cabin air filter housing. With the panel removed, you'll see the rectangular filter housing. There are usually two small clips or tabs holding its cover in place. Unclip these and remove the cover. Now, carefully slide the old filter straight out. Pay attention to the arrow indicating airflow direction. Your new filter must be installed with the arrow pointing the same way. This ensures proper air filtration. Now, slide your new cabin air filter into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction. Replace the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Finally, align the glove box lower panel and reinsert all the T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Close the glove box and you're all done. Enjoy cleaner air in your Giulia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.